So on Storm Tracker 4, this stripe of rain right here, this basically was essentially not there about 6 hours ago. The moisture is rapidly increasing, and this stuff is going to come racing to the northeast during the overnight hours. So let me show it to you. Watch. You're just going to see this area of rain expand and become more intense downpours. So it's going to be coming down pretty heavy by the middle of the night. Now this front here, that's the front edge of much colder air behind it. That thing is going to slowly be sliding through the area. We'll probably be in the area first thing tomorrow morning. So south of it, there'll be rain, maybe a little bit of light ice or a couple of light snowflakes to the north. But I don't think that's going to be tremendously problematic during the morning hours because the amounts will be light, as I show you in a minute. Middle part of the day, late morning, early afternoon, a bit of a break, maybe a little bit of ice to the south of Detroit, but most of us getting a bit of a lull. But then the next surge of moisture with this low here comes racing in, and by mid-afternoon, perhaps some ice, again, south of Detroit here, but most of us are going to get into a snow pattern here. And the only question in this forecast right now is just basically the strength and positioning of this low, because how far north or south it comes basically will dictate our amounts of precipitation and also what kind we get. But right now, this is the way it's looking. I'm pretty comfortable with this, that we're going to get a pretty heavy amount of snow between 3 p.m. and about 10 or 11 p.m. tomorrow night. Then once we get into the day on Friday, by midnight or so, most of that snow should be out of here. So let's now break this down for you. Rainfall is a big problem. Again, as I told you at the top of the show, falling on melting snow, that gives you extra water, frozen ground, between 3/4 of an inch and an inch of rain. That's why we have a flood watch. There's going to be a lot of runoff of this water, and the rivers will be rising as a result as well. Now for ice. First thing in the morning, very, very light amounts of ice. This is, and on the roads, if they've been treated, it's not going to be a problem, but maybe watch the bridges and overpasses. It's in the afternoon with that second batch that comes into the southeast that maybe we get a little bit more ice south of Detroit, but for most of us, ice is not the big concern tomorrow. It's the snow. You can see less snow to the southeast where you get that ice, but this stripe in the center of the area is 5 to 8 inches of snow. So it's coming, folks. And on the snow meter, anytime we get over 6 inches, I call that a frozen pizza and beer snow on the snow meter. So it's going to be something that's going to catch your attention and cause some impacts tomorrow. So temps in the 40s overnight tonight, and then tomorrow the temperatures are falling through the day. And so again, through the morning hours, you get a bit of a lull in the middle part of the day, then snow mid-afternoon through the middle of tomorrow evening, coming down perhaps an inch an hour. And then as we get into Friday, 20s for the start of winter blast. And right now the weekend looks dry. There could be some snow showers Friday night, but overall the weekend looks dry with a bit of a warm up. And then another storm we got to watch for next Tuesday, guys.
Okay. Oh boy. All right. Paul, thank you.